Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gooten order routing with WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Gooten order routing with WooCommerce, first, log into your WooCommerce admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on add new to search for a new plugin. In the search bar, type Gooten to find the Gooten plugin. Once you find the Gooten plugin, click on install now. After the installation is complete, click on Activate. Next, go to the Gooten settings by finding it in the left sidebar. You will see various options and settings related to Gooten. Click on Connect to Gooten to begin the authentication process. This will redirect you to the Gooten login page. Enter your Gooten account credentials to log in. Once logged in, authorize WooCommerce to access your Gooten account. After successful authorization, you will be redirected back to your WooCommerce dashboard. Now, set up your shipping options by navigating to the Shipping tab. Select your shipping methods and configure them as needed. Ensure that you enable Gooten as your default order fulfillment method. Next, set your product catalog by going to the Products section in WooCommerce. Add or edit the products you want to sell through Gooten. In the Product Data section, select Gooten as the fulfillment provider. Make sure to specify the correct price and any additional details. Once your products are set, it's time to test the integration. Place a test order using one of your products. After the order is placed, check your Gooten dashboard for confirmation of the order receipt. If you see the order on Gooten, the integration is successful. To adjust any settings, return to the Gooten settings in WooCommerce. Review the configurations and make changes as necessary. Once everything looks good, you're ready to start selling with Gooten and WooCommerce. Regularly check for updates to the Gooten plugin for improved functionality. That's it, you have successfully set up Gooten order routing with WooCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.